Reaction due to carboxylic group. First, decarboxylation reaction. Sodium salts of monocarboxylic acids upon heating with soda lime. Soda lime is the mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. It form hydrocarbons. For example, we are taking sodium acetate combined with soda lime to form methane, and there is release of sodium carbonate. Another, sodium benzoate react with soda lime to form benzene and sodium carbonate. Cobb's electrolysis. When aqueous solution of sodium and potassium salts of monocarboxylic acids electrolyzed, alkanes are formed. We are taking example of sodium acetate electrolysis. At anode, acetate ions are formed, and at cathode, sodium ion. We are taking aqueous solution, so water also hydrolyzed, dissociate to give OH. OH goes toward the anode and hydrogen ion toward the cathode. So at anode, acetate ions and OH ions are formed, but electron releasing tendency of acetate ions is more than OH ions, so these ions are discharged in preference of OH ion. So these acetate ions form unstable product. From here it gives the electrons, oxidation occurs, and from here there is cleavage of CO bond here, so formation of CO2 gas and form ethane. Like this way, at cathode, both sodium and hydrogen ions from the aqueous solution are present in aqueous solution, but hydrogen ion discharge prefer to sodium ion. So hydrogen ion from the water, so to take up the electron, reduction occurs and formation of hydrogen gas. So from Cobb's electrolysis, there is formation of alkanes from carboxylic acids. Hundeker's reaction. In this reaction, silver salts of carboxylic acids react with bromine in presence of carbon tetrachloride to form alkyl bromides as a product. For example, here we are taking silver acetate react with bromine in presence of carbon tetrachloride to form methyl bromide. Side product, there is release of CO2 gas and silver bromide. This reaction is called Hundeker's reaction. Action of heat on calcium salts of acids. So calcium salts of carboxylic acid, or the mixture of two calcium salts of carboxylic acids, are distilled, and a number of aldehydes and ketones are formed as a product. So we are taking calcium formate. So from here CO, this cleavage of this in presence of distilled, and distillation they form formaldehyde and calcium. When calcium formate, this is calcium formate, distilled with calcium benzoate to form benzaldehyde and calcium carbonate.